A political firestorm is intensifying, as confidential memos from the UK's American ambassador were found to refer to the US President's administration as inept. Kim Darroch also labelled Trump's team as being uniquely dysfunctional. The US President responded in kind, attacking on Twitter both Kim and the outgoing UK Prime Minister. He said Theresa May had made a mess of the UK's withdrawal from the European Union, the so-called Brexit process, whilst refusing to have anything more to do with Darroch. He said the UK was fortunate to have a new leader coming on board. However, the UK doesn't seem to be backing down, with the spokesperson for May's office giving Darroch its full support. He said the whole situation was an unfortunate one, adding that the UK Trade Minister would apologise to Trump's daughter and advisor Ivanka during the trip to Washington. The timing of the episode could hardly be worse for the UK, with Downing Street hoping to strike a major trade deal with the US after it leaves the EU. Trump visited the UK only last month, when he visited Buckingham Palace and had a banquet dinner with the Queen. Rory Cohn, CGTN.